Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for Fitter 2020 and Mechanical Engineering students. The book has been referred from Fundamental of a Drawing. The author is K.R. Gopalakrishnan. I am taking the class of isometric projection. The problem number is 6. So the question has been given like this. So we have to do a isometric projection of a pyramid. Okay, the question has given a hexagonal pyramid of a 30 mm edge of a base and height is 65 mm resting with the base on HP and an edge of a base parallel to VP. Draw an isometric projection of the pyramid. So draw an axis line like this. What they given in the question is all sides should be 30 mm x pyramid. So take 30 mm like this. After that, using a protractor, take 45 degree and here 45 degree. So draw like this. So after that, using a compass, cut here 30 mm and cut here 30 mm. Take here, cut here, take here and cut here. So make an prism hexagonal pyramid so that the pyramid will come like this. So your pyramid will come like this. Then name this part. This I'll take A, B, C, D, E, F. This I'll take S, P, Q, R. So after that, the center will be the axis line. The center point will be the axis line. Draw on projection line. What they given like this. Okay, after that, this dimension will come here as it is. Take 65 mm in the question. The base and the height of a rest, the base on a HP is 65 mm. This is going to be A dash, B dash, F dash. This will be a C dash, E dash. This will be a D dash. This will be O dash. The middle one is O dash O1. After that, take an axis line, keep a middle point, take 30 degree and 30 degree. draw like this, keep a projection line like this, you should take measurement. First you take a total measurement Q to P, cut an arc. Okay, then Q to R, cut an arc. Okay, after that keep here drawn projection line like this. According to the measurement we have to draw. Keep here. Okay, it's going to come like this, and take here P to B, cut an arc. Q to B, cut an arc. Cut here, cut here. So after the middle point D to R, cut an arc, cut an arc. So see the measurement what has come, 70 mm. This is 70 mm. Take in the middle 35. Keep here 42. Take as a middle. Okay. Make an axis line so that you are going to make a isometric projection. It will come like this. Okay, join here, and this will be a dotted line. Okay, this will be a dotted line. Want the middle, it is come like this. Using a scale, the length is 65 mm. Draw lightly like that. Take here, join this line, join this line, and join this line, and join this line. It's very quite easy and simple. So you will get pyramid. So naming the part, this will be 30 degree and 30 degree. So this will be a P, A as it is, S, E, D, Q, C, B, C, B. So this is the question what they given. If you like this video, please share to your friends. If you have any doubt, please put comments and share it. So the drawing has come like this, the question they given like this, so I did like that. Thank you for watching my channel.